So the Tulsa Fire Department is a pretty good sized organization. Our authorized strength is 725 members that are sworn, and then we have about another 45 to 50 that are non-sworn. We have 30 stations, 210 square miles, and we protect a population of 413,000 people. So it is a pretty good size metropolitan fire department.
These firefighters are responding to someone's need. They're responding to someone's grandmother who's having a heart attack, or someone's mother who's fallen and is injured on the floor, or some child that's choking or drowning. You know, they're going somewhere important.
The highway system can be very treacherous for any responder operating in, cold weather, hazardous road conditions. We've lost vehicles, just simple fleet, accidents due to being hit on scene, somebody sliding into them. We've had accidents in normal weather where we've been struck on the highway. We've unfortunately had a member that had to retire secondary to injuries suffered while operating was inside an apparatus that got hit.
Even with lights and sirens, we notice that the public often doesn't pay any attention to it. Probably more so while we're working the roadway stop, but when we're in transit, we often are right up on a vehicle before we can get them to pull over.
So January 29th, around 8 or 9 o'clock at night, we were dispatched to a single vehicle accident on the southbound side of the highway. It had been raining most of the day. It got kind of cold and temperatures drop overnight. When we pull up, there's a stranded car on the side of the road, occupants out safe, she wasn't hurt. And just in a blink of an eye, not sure at that moment what happened, another vehicle approaching us who, came around the corner, couldn't really see us, didn't have any kind of warning system or heads up besides our emergency lights, which were still blocked by the curve. Hit a patch of black ice, lost control, slid into the back of the vehicle that we were attending to, and knocked us over the barrier.
What we're announcing today is the deployment of the HAAS Safety Cloud system across the entire fleet of the Tulsa Fire Department. So what is the HAAS Safety Cloud? It is digital alerting for drivers that appears in their vehicle or on their navigation apps within their car. We are moving from just being an item on the side that is a late alert to we're trying to upstream the alert notification to ensure that we have a personal connection with that driver and that they know that valuable emergency responders and other highway workers are on scene taking care of an incident.
There's no telling how much pain, loss, and suffering that first responder families, they could have avoided that if something like this had been standard.
I think I owe it to the firefighters to live up to my promise of a safe workplace and a safe fire scene by having a tool that says, look, I can't stop everything, but I can try. I can give folks the most advanced warning they have beyond your lights. And so I owe you that.